Hi dear students, today in research methodology class we can see Medline. We can see Medline. Medline is a premier bibliographical database of US National Library of Medicine. Medline is a premier bibliographic database of US National Library of Medicine, and Medline contains more than 26 million reference to journal articles in life science with a concentration of biomedicine. Okay, this Medline contain more than 26 million reference to journal articles in life sciences with a concentration on biomedicine, and it includes bibliographic information for articles from academic journals covering medicine, nursing, pharmacy, dentistry, veterinary medicine, and healthcare. Okay, this Medline includes bibliographic information for articles from academic journals covering medicines, nursing, pharmacy, dentistry, veterinary medicine, and healthcare. And this Medline also covers much of the literature in biology and biochemistry, as well as fields such as molecular evolution. This Medline also covers the literature in biology and biochemistry, as well as field such as molecular evolution. And a distinctive feature of Medline is that record are indexed with NLM, medical subject heading. Okay, a distinctive feature of Medline is that the records are indexed with NLM medical subject headings. Medline is one of the premier bibliographic database of US National Library of Medicine. Medline is a premier bibliographic database of US National Library of Medicine (NLM), and it's contained more than 26 million reference to journals articles in life science with a concentration on biomedicine. And Medline includes bibliographic information for articles from academic journals covering medicines, nursing, pharmacy, dentistry, veterinary medicine, and healthcare. And Medline also cover much of the literature in biology and biochemistry, as well as is also contain literature of molecular evolution. And a distinctive feature of Medline is that the record are indexed with the NLM medical subject heading. And this Medline is the online counterpart of Medlas medical literature analysis and retrieval system, and that is originated in 1964 at US. This Medline is a counterpart of Medlas medical literature analysis and retrieval system that is originated in 1964, and the great majority of journals are selected for Medline based on the recommendation of Literature Selection Technical Review Committee, and that is an NIH Chartered Advisory Committee. The great majority of journals are selected for Medline is based on the recommendation of Literature Selection Technical Review Committee, that is an NIH Chartered Advisory Committee. And this Medline include literature published from 1966 to present, and some selected coverage of literature prior to that period also is present in Medline. Currently, it has citation from more than 5,200 worldwide journal in about 40 languages and about 60 languages for older journals. Currently, this Medline has citation from more than 5,200 worldwide journal in about 40 languages and about 60 languages for older journal. And Medline is an online counterpart of Medlas, that is a medical literature analysis and retrieval system that is originated in 1964, and the Great majority of literature are selected for Medline is based on the recommendation of Literature Selection Technical Review Committee is an NIH chartered advisory committee. Okay, they will recommend the uh, journals to the Medline, and Medline includes literature published from 1966 to present, and selected coverage of literature prior to that period also is present in Medline. And currently this Medline has a citation from more than 5,200 worldwide journals in about 40 languages and about 60 languages for older journals. And this Medline is the primary component of PubMed. Okay, this Medline is the primary component of PubMed, and the result of Medline search is a list of citation to journals, articles, and an indication of free electronic full text availability. Okay, the result of a Medline search is a list of citation. Okay, that will include the author's title, source, and often an abstract. Okay, this result of Medline search is a list of citation to journal articles and an indication of free electronic full text availability. And Medline Plus is another service offered by NLM, provides consumer oriented health information. Okay, Medline Plus is another service offered by the NLM, provides consumer oriented health information. Okay, Medline is the primary component of PubMed, and the result of Medline PubMed search is a list of citation to journal articles and an indication of free electronic full text availability. And Medline Plus is another service offered by the NLM, provides consumer oriented health information. This is Medline. I hope you understood this class. Thank you. Thank you for listening.